It feels great. It's been a journey, definitely. I feel like, usually people limit themselves saying that we can only do a few things at the same time. But currently, I'm doing a lot of things at the same time. And I'm also thankful to you guys because you gave me the scholarship for this course. Yeah, so I'm really thankful and I feel really good. Yeah. Great, actually. My weakness has always been story. Even at work, when I'm a credit analyst, so sometimes I have to write cases up for the loans, and it's very hard for me to really come up with the story. I usually just talk facts, the numbers, but there's no, back reason, and that's been my a challenge. And I think this has really helped a lot. Yeah. First, I wanted to, after I graduate from my master's, I want to go and work as an equity analyst. But I did not really feel I was ready because most of the valuation that I actually did was in university, and that was not very eye-opening since we were just doing research blindly, not going forward. We didn't understand the concept of smoothing things down in the valuation model. That was a very huge concept that I had to learn. Yeah, so that's more like realistic based. So yes.